Okay, so now we go and check at the operational manual. So you see this, they have good. Here you see they have really clear manual to see that how you can do it. Oh, be careful, Sarah. What I Fine. Okay, this switch on off, that's easy. Footer, so speed. This is what. Oh, they said if you don't have the footer, you can use this. Right? Well, I don't know that. I try mine. So this is a case. Brighter. That's good. You have a handheld, so it's easy. I still don't take off. It's really new. Okay. Here we go. It's not that hard to use, but it's quite. The thread is always cut off a lot and stuck, but anyway, it's nice. I mean, the nice machine, the sewing machine for the price. But the price, this one, I think in this brand, in this model, not over 150. This one is the best one. But okay, you can see the stitch here. It has a built-in stitch, 60 stitch, so it's enough. The things that is the weak point is really cannot see clearly if you don't open the light on, but I have the leading light, so it's no problem for me. Okay, one step by step. Please bear to my English conversation because it's not my mother tongue. Okay, this is when you put the thread on in here. You see that you can make it low or up. I know, very low. So it come like this, and you can pull it up, and you put this in, and you make it have a tension for the thread. Don't make it like this. You will have a problem. Then okay, so this one is for you to treat the bobbin, and the bobbin, they come with a lot of stuff like this, a lot of foot to use. I didn't use that. Here inside they have this is for buttonhole, and all the stuff, the needles. I don't know either. So you will get all this, and the bobbin here. How to open? You just click this. See this bobbin? You just take it. They have the switch here, so you just take out like this. Okay, easy. Do it easy. Take off. It's just a thin plastic. Do it easy. And here, inside here. So it's in here. I can take it out first. Okay, put it down for you again. So this is a bobbin that I thread from here already. One thing, when you thread a bobbin, you make sure that the thread should be on this way, on the right side, on the left side. Yeah, okay. See here, and you see here should be on the come out here, so come out on the left side. Okay, and when you do it, you just lock it like this. See, they have a lock, just that. Now see the way how to put in. Use this. You see where the thread come out on the left side. Left side again, so you put in. Make sure that it's come on the left side, and then you easy put the. You see this one. Just put follow the line, and then on the end, at the end, you will have the cutter. Cutter for you. Oh, that easy. Done. Just that. Okay. When you put this on, you have to see this. This is a lock. Okay, the little one. You put the lock in here first. Okay, then put another down. Just that. Easy. Then done. Okay. Someone will think that, okay, how to get the auto needle thread. Believe me, I'm really new and I really don't know how to sewing. Okay, so the things, I take this off first so you know how to do it. Okay, first you put this on, right? And here come on the left side again, and now you have to put this on this lock under here. Wait, under here. Like this. Yeah. Things to tell you like this: 2, and put come here, 3, and put 2 to here, and in on between you have a like a knot here, and then 5, and you see this one. Oh, this one I need 2 hands. Okay. Okay, you have to put the foot down first, and then you put like this, in, then come out, and put like this, in, come out, then you put this in, and you see that this one come in, just it. Hey, come on now. Hey, nearly. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not that bad. The time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey. Again, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It should come in a little. Hey, I got it. Quite long. Like this. Done. So this side, I will show you. Here you can see. Yeah, see this. This is a foot dash. Like if you kill, you have to go on this way. If not cut, you not on this way. If you're not cute, you just go here. Okay. They said this one can use instead of the foot here. So let me see how it works. I never see that it's work on my. So now I put the footer on the needle already in there. I will use this footer first, the on of my foot. I don't know what to say. This work, okay. Now I use this instead. E5. What the? E5. Let me take the foot out. If I take the foot out, okay. So you need to take this off. This one work. If not, it not work. Take the foot off. You see the foot? Just take it up. So the footer up. How bright? Not bad, right? And you put this in. Okay. Okay, now this one, be careful. You have always put on the back. Good. Then you put the footer in, and you put the needle down. Okay. Then we ready to go. Now you come and select the stitch. The stitch. I use a normal one for 00. Okay. So the speed for me, this is quite because I'm new, so I will just get medium. And you see this? Actually, I can see it, but it's need to see close, and you need a good eye. Okay. Here, I don't know what is for what. I don't know. Okay. Oh, one more thing. The plate here to make it wider. It can use, but not that good. But it's okay. You see this? It's still like not stable, but it can use just that. Okay. Here a footer. Right. Okay. So you can see the. Wow, that's a mess. Okay. So now here we go. Just touch it. Done. So you just like make it backward a little bit. Okay. Then you take the needle off and put the done. Not bad. The mama called the said no more monkey jumping on the bed. Jumping on the bed. One fell off his head. No more monkey jumping on the bed. Say bye bye chứ đâu. Bye bye. And see you next time.